The Tatung electric steamer meets 100 kitchen needs, triggers each cook's creativity. There's a saying in Taiwan, no chef, no problem. But without a Tatung, it's not a kitchen. It doesn't matter if you make food that's steamed, boiled, simmered, or stewed. Whether it's a recipe from North China, South China, whether it's Qingdao dumplings or Cantonese congee. Do you want steamed lobster, steamed crab, or ginseng chicken? Maybe you want your old favorites or new discoveries. This steamer does it all. Why is Tatung food so tasty and satisfying? Just think, for thousands of years, bamboo steam cooking has been perfected in China. Tatung achieves this with modern technology. So, what's the secret? Just this. When traditional steaming methods are combined with modern methods, food cooks evenly. Whether steamed, boiled, simmered, or stewed, flavor fully penetrates the food. Besides great food cooked quickly, with your Tatung steamer, your food is healthy. The nutrition stays in. Indirect heating preserves both nutrition and your food's fresh flavor. Ask your family. You'll find everyone is satisfied. What about efficiency? Our heaters use the best modern technology. They quickly heat and steam. First, press the warm button. When your food is done, the power shifts to the smallest amount needed. Your food continues to stay hot and ready, safe and reliable, no matter who in your family wants to use it. Operating the steamer is simple and safe. No open boiling water, no dangerous steam. Even youngsters can cook with ease. A few simple steps and a satisfying hot breakfast is ready. Tatung brings flavor, health, and convenience. And it's built to last. Tatung Steamer, a product that lasts. In Taiwan, Tatung steamers have been known and trusted for years. Nearly every single household has a Tatung in the kitchen. And it's no wonder they're great, and they last. Over 80% are still working after 30 years of use. Tatung steamers, they're the best.
Tatung steamers, they're so convenient.
The Tatung steamer delights the whole family as it satisfies their taste buds. Pork buns bursting with flavor. Each time you open a Tatung steamer, prepare yourself for a taste sensation. It doesn't matter if it's xiao mai, Northern China dumplings, steamed buns, zhongzi, taro stew, beef stew, pork meatloaf balls, or a hot pot dinner for the family. Each dish will be met with delight. Such a simple exterior, such rich functions inside. People will want to know your secret, the Tatung steamer. In China, there's a saying, if you want to grab your man's heart, you first have to grab his stomach. We say if you want to grab his stomach, first you must have a Tatung steamer. With the right tools, your meal table will be filled with great dishes. That great feeling spreads to the whole family, leaving everyone satisfied.
Like us, after a long day, when we get home, we're so exhausted and hungry. Well, with the Tatung steamer, now it's so easy. We just pop our food in the steamer and then press a button. And when we've washed up and relaxed, our food is ready.
He gets in pretty late, and there's no need to specially heat up dinner for him. I just press the warm button and his dinner is waiting for him.
From the moment you get a Tatung steamer, there's no need to worry about food being undercooked or burned. White rice cooks beautifully. It'll be the best bowl of rice you've had in your life. With steam cooking, the moisture and taste stay in. It's sure to meet your taste and your mood.
Remember when we were young, how much trouble it was to cook a single meal? But now with a Tatung steamer, it is so convenient. Steam, boiled, simmer, stewed, one pot does it all.
Only one pot. Different kinds of mothers and kitchens. But behind all of them is the same kitchen steamer. Tatung steamer, Taiwan's pride, working solidly worldwide. After 90 years of operation, Tatung maintains the same foundation of quality and excellent service. We're in step with what the world needs, creating new products with the same spirit. Always looking for opportunities to be even more efficient, environmental, and healthy. And this means homes around the world more healthy and strong. We serve the world. Thank you for buying a Tatung steamer. This product is sold with the following pieces: outer pot, inner pot, steamer pan, rice spatula, measuring cup, warranty book,